Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to buy energy on Duolingo. So to buy energy on Duolingo you should go to the app, open the app, and of course if you have Super Duolingo you will have unlimited energy, so you can make as much mistake as you want and you will not lose any energy. But if you are practicing for free and you have made mistakes during the lesson, you will lose some energy. And to refill that energy or to buy, you have to click on the energy icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see here, you can get +5 energy for free. You can get +5 energy if you watch ad. For 600 gems, you can refill all of your energy. And if you want unlimited energy, you have to subscribe to Super Duolingo, which is the price of it is different from country to country. I think the average is $10 per month. So for example, I will click this for free and I got +5 energy. And if you want full energy, I will click on recharge like this, and as you can see with 600 gems, all the energy that I have is recharged again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.